Okay, hi there. Welcome back. Again, this is Teacher Edgar. Today, before we go to our next lesson, we will review our past lesson. Let us review like and unlike terms. So, what do you remember? Let's see. Okay, number 1, we have X and Y. Are they like terms or not? Very good, they are unlike terms. Number 2, we have xy and yx. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same, so we can call them like terms. Number 3, we have 2db, 3ba, and 4ab. Look at their variables. We have db, ba, and ab. Are they like terms or unlike terms? Yes, they are unlike terms. Number 4, xy and 3xy. The variables here are xy and here also xy. So obviously they are like terms. Now let's review how to group the like terms or grouping the like terms. So in this case, number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 terms. So how many groups can we have in this group of terms? So we have group of m's, 9m, we here, 7m, and here it is. And then what is the next group? The mn. How many mn's? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 mn's. And then the next group is the n's, the n groups. The n group, I mean. So we have n and 10m, 10n from here, n and 10n. So that's our past lesson. Now, anyway, this lesson is applicable to our next lesson in the future. So please remember this lesson about like terms. We will discuss this more in the topic about simplifying algebraic expressions. But today, our lesson is entitled Simplification of Numerical Expression. Before we proceed, what is the meaning of these words? First, what is the meaning of simplification or simplify? Simplify means make simpler or make something simpler or easier to do. Okay. Make something simpler or easier to do or understand. So we will make, other word is simplify. Okay, simplification or simplify. So let's make it simpler or easier to do. Next word is numerical. Numerical means number. Okay, it is relating to or expressed as a number or numbers. In short, numeric or numerical refers to a number. Then expressions. An expression is a sentence with a minimum of two numbers and at least one math operation. Again, an expression is a sentence with a minimum of 2 numbers and at least one math operations. So that is the meaning of simplification, numerical, and expression. Okay, today our focus is all more about arithmetic, because arithmetic refers to numbers, right? So numerical expression. So because this is very important to understand numerical expressions or simplifying numerical expressions before we proceed to algebraic expressions. Because if you can understand numerical expression, it is easier for you to learn or understand algebraic expressions. Now, the meaning of numerical expression is this one. A numerical expression contains a number and operations. That is the general meaning. This is the one we read, but there's more explanation. An expression is a sentence with a minimum of 2 numbers and at least one math operation. This math operation can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The structure of an expression is like this. Expression equals number, math operator, and a number, like this. 4 plus 35. So, we have the sentence. It means the number sentence. We have 4 plus 35. Minimum of 2 numbers. We have 4 and 35. That is the minimum. We have 2 numbers and at least one math operation. We have plus or operator. Okay, so this is an expression or numerical expression in arithmetic. Okay, we can add. It's just it means minimum means at least 2. We can start from 2 and then we can add another operator and another number. So we get 2 operations and 3 numbers or more. We can up to infinite operations and infinite numbers. We can do that. So that is about numerical expressions. So let's proceed. Now, how to simplify numerical expressions? We have rule. We perform operations in a particular order. First, we do division, then multiplication, followed by addition, and then subtraction. Okay? In short, we have DMAS. DMAS. D stands for, right, it's there. Division. M stands for, very good, multiplication. A stands for, yes, addition. And S stands for subtraction. Good. So that's our rule. We will follow this. Okay. Now there's another rule. Okay. There's another. If, okay. Okay, wait. Take note. Always work from left to right. This is the other rule according to the given order. We will work from left to right if only here, only if the expression contains addition and subtraction only. We have plus and minus like this. Okay, work from left to right, from here to the right. So 46 plus 31 is how many? 70. Okay, 77. And then 77 minus 55 is equal to 22. Okay, so we solve this expression from left to the right. Okay, so write the answer right away. Another rule. We will work from left to right only if the expression contains multiplication and division. Look, we have division and multiplication. We will do it from left to the right. Okay, left to right. So first we will divide because it is the first. So 54 divided by 3 is equal to equal to what? 18. Okay, 54 divided by 3 is 18, and then 18 times 5 is equal to how many? 18 times 5 is equal to 90. So this is these are the other rules in simplifying algebraic numerical expression. The same even in algebraic expression, it's the same rule. Okay, and but if it's mixed, if it's mixed operations in one expression, we will follow the DMAS. Okay, next, another rule. When brackets are present in the problem, we simplify the terms inside the brackets first. Okay, types of brackets: we have round brackets, we have double curly or curly brackets, we have square brackets. If two or more types of brackets are present, the order of working is first round. Okay, it means do inside a round bracket, and then followed by doing the inside the curly brackets, and then finally inside the square brackets. Okay, in short, start from the innermost, okay, innermost bracket. Okay, I'll show you examples. Let's go to the next slide. Simplify the following expressions. Okay, here, letter A. What should we do? Should we do left to right, or we follow DMAS? We have subtraction and multiplication, so we will follow DMAS. So first rule is D. Okay, we will divide. Do we have division here? No. Next is multiply. M, multiply. We have multiplication, so we will multiply 16. Okay, perform multiplication first. 16 times 7. By the way, you can just bring it down here, 126, then minus the result of 16 times 7. 16 times 7 is 112. Now we have minus alone. So very easy, just subtract. That is equal to 14. Left to right. There's only 2, so yeah, left to right. Or just subtract the two numbers. So that's an example with subtraction and multiplication. Letter B. Okay, what do you think? How many operations do you see? We have plus, divide, times, and minus. So we have 4 complete. So which is first? Okay, which operation first? We will do the division here. 56 divided by 8. Okay, so I just showed you. I put brackets so you can see. Okay, so 56 divided by 8 is equal to, wait, the rest you can just bring it down. Okay, 56 divided by 8 is 7, and then bring down times 50 minus 15. Okay, next is we will do multiplication. Okay, DMAS, right? GM. Next is M, and then we will multiply, right? So I'll put some brackets so you can see it. 50 times 7 or 7 times 50 is equal to 350. So first bring this down, plus 350 minus 15. Bring down minus 15. Now we have plus and minus. Can we do left to right now? Yes. We can do left to right, or yes, of course. We will add first. Of course, we will add. So 104 plus 350 is equal to 454. Okay. 454 minus 15 is equal to 439. Okay, did I say it right? 104 plus 350 is 454 minus 15 equals 439. So that's our examples. Next. Oh, it's there. It's late. Okay, never mind. Okay, next example. Letter C. We have division, we have brackets, we have multiplication, another division, another bracket. So in our rule, we will do inside the brackets first, right? So bringing down 72 divided by 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. And then bring down times 56. Then divided by 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. So now we have only division and multiplication. We can do left to the right. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. Okay. Then 8 times 56 is equal to how many? 448. And then 448 divided by 7 is equal to 64. That's how we do it, left to right, step by step. Divide 72 divided by 9, and then the result here times to the next number, and then divide to the next number. Alright, so we have 64. Letter D. Letter D, we have a complete package. We have round brackets, we have curly and square brackets, and then we have division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So in our rule, we can follow DMAS here and the rule of brackets. Actually, there's a word for that. It's called BODMAS. BODMAS means brackets and then operations, and then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, here we can do it right away because it's outside. This is outside. Actually, we can just divide it right away because it will not affect anything here because it is separated by a minus. So 195 divided by 3 is 65. Then in our rule, we will do inside the round bracket. So 18 minus 7 is 11. Then times, then times 60, okay, times 60, the curly, bring it down, 60, and then divide. 21 minus 6 is 15, so divided by 15. After you do the operation inside the bracket will disappear, okay? I mean, it will go away. You should not write like bracket here. It's okay if you will take it off. And then plus 2 minus 5. Okay, just bring down. Now you see we have this curly bracket, the same. Okay. The 2 is inside the curly bracket. Next step is do inside the inner. Again, we will do from the inner. Okay, the inner is the curly. So we will divide first. Okay, here we will follow DMAS. So divide first before we add. Okay, just bring down the rest. 65 minus 11 times now we have 4. 4 is from 60 divided by 15, that is 4, and then plus 2 minus 5. Okay, so we just brought down the numbers. Okay, and then bring down again 65 minus, next step is we add inside the curly brackets. So we added 4 plus 2 is 6. We just brought down 11 times and then minus 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we have the square bracket finally. So bring down 65 again, and then 11 times 6 is 66, and then minus 5. Now we have minus and another minus. We can do left to right. Okay, 65 minus 66 is minus 1. Okay, that's right here, minus 1, and then minus 1 minus 5 equals, okay, when you have minus 1 and then another minus, you can put plus. Okay, another plus there. So minus 1 plus minus 5 equals minus 6. Got it? All right, I can erase that one. Let's go to the next slide. Yeah, you are right. Exercise time. So what are our exercises? Okay, we will simplify the following numerical expressions. Number 1. By the way, we will answer only number 1. I will show you the answer in number 1. And the rest you will do it yourself. Good luck. Right. So we have bracket, we have division, multiplication, another multiplication, plus or addition, and then bracket. So we will do inside the bracket. So we will just bring down the rest except inside the bracket. So bring down 63 divided by 7. Wait, I'll show you the pointer. 63, brought it down, divide 7 times 3. Okay, just brought it down, bring it down, and then minus, and then solve. 18 minus 12 equals 6. Next, bring down times 3, and then plus. 24 minus 9 is equal 5. Okay. Next, what is the next step? We'll do, you see, we have groups of division and multiplication here, and then the multiplication here. So we will do DMAS, right? So here we can do left to right. Divide first and then multiply. So 63 divided by 7 times 3. How many? Great. All right. So 63 divided by 7 is equal to how many? 9, right? 63 divided by 7 is 9. And then 9 times, okay, let me write that one. We have, okay, 9. And then 9 is from 63 divided by 7 is 9. And then 9 times 3 is 27. And then bring down minus. Next is multiply 6 and 3. Here, 6 times 3. Okay, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. And then bring down plus 5. Now we have just minus and plus, or subtraction and addition. So let's just do it from left to right. Okay, so 27 minus 18, how many? 27 minus 18 is equal to how many? Equals 9. So then 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. That's it. We are finished in number 1. Let's go to the next slide. We have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is your exercise, so you'll do it by yourself. So I'll tell you here, number 2, do inside the bracket first, and then can divide and multiply, and then multiply here. Okay, number 3, multiply, minus, and then divide and times here, divide here and multiply here. Okay, number 4, in number 4, times here, 6 times 5 first, and then divide and multiply here, and then multiply 5 and 7. Number 5, finally we have minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, and plus. So you can do it left to the right. Okay, that's it for today. So if you have questions, just comment below, or you can send a message to me. Find my Facebook page about MaThalent here, MaThalents. Please send a message there if you have any question, and follow my page so you will be updated too. Okay, thank you, goodbye, see you next time.